Hey everyone, welcome to the CG Artist Academy once again. I have been out from a long time and I was not able to create tutorials, but I am here. This tutorial is part of the quick series regarding creating cool effects in Houdini in a very quick setup. So, today we are going to create this kind of effect. Is just how to create particle lines. This is the technique in which we will be able to create these kind of curve lines with the help of particle simulation. So you can see this grid, this kind of a grid, this. I'm gonna take you to the basic understanding of how you can create it very quickly, and after that it is all your effort. You can give it a try and get some cool effects. So let's get started. We are here in Houdini. First of all, we have to create a geometry node. Inside, let's create a sphere. Let's make it a primitive. After that, let's create a scatter node. Now we're gonna create pop network. Let's go inside very quickly. Let's delete this and we will create pop warp node. Let's connect this. Here we have to select this option, emission type to all points, and then go to birth. Here we have to type, it should be $f = 1. Go inside. Let's quickly create curl noise. Position to position. Then here we will create a snippet node. I'll provide the snippet in the chat. Now let's create a normalize node. Let's connect this to this normalize vector to normalize vector, and this out normalize vector to the velocity. Okay, let's get outside. We just try to play this. Okay, it seems to be working. So checking that, let's disable the guide. Back, and quickly we will create a trail node just to check how it's working, and make the trail length to 10. You can see this, it's giving us the cool grid lines. Now let's create another node, add. Here we have to go to polygon, by group, by attribute. You can put it ID. You can see that it's already started creating these grid lines. You can see here the lines are just traveling, that should be connected. So to make it happen, let's create a solver node here. Connect this, go inside. Let's create a merge node. We'll connect this and input this. Let's delete this one, enable this. Let's go outside. Now what we have to do is, okay, now since we have already created a trail node, let's disable this, and you can see this. Now that lines are not breaking, they are continue to grow, and it seems to be looking a cool effect. There are multiple ways to create these kind of effect. This is just one. Okay, and what else you can do is you can change the noise value. So you can come here, you can change it to, like, let's say original Berlin noise. So all you need to do is just try these values you will get a proper result, whatever kind of result you want to achieve. So you can see this, it's looking pretty cool. Okay, now there is another way. Let me just show you very quickly, and you can get a lot of tutorials similar to these kind of thing, but I'm just giving you a quick overview. So let's delete everything quickly. Delete this, let's make it polygon this way. Now directly create pop network, go inside, disable this, delete this node. Now let's create pop WAP, select, connect this, let's create curl noise again, position to position, then create add node, can add here this, can add here this, go outside, and you can see this, it's already creating a cool effect, right? So let's go inside again, click here, you can click the this one, and let's create this kind of effect. Now go outside quickly and create trail node, enable this, make the trail length to 10. Now create add node, and in here you need to just by group, by attribute, and just put ID. So quickly we can create these lines. It's looking already really cool. So let's create null here so that we can jump into the rendering quickly. Out render, yeah, go outside, yeah, just click on this object and go to stage. Now we are in Solaris. Let's quickly select the Solaris as well. To get all the trails over here, you need to create a SOP create node, SOP input node, then select the SOP path, out render, which we have created. This way you can quickly get these lines over here. Now let's create a merge node, let's create a camera quickly, let's connect this, click on the lock so that you can adjust your camera very quickly. Let me just create this angle, seems to be looking fine. Okay, now let's create a merge node again, and here we will add light. Let's create dome light and connect this to your merge node, enable this. Nothing seems to be working. Let's create this lat long. We are going to add some map over here. Go to this HDRI. Let's go inside this. Okay, this seems to be working fine now. What you can do is just click D in your viewport and go to background and switch off this option so that you won't, if you don't want to see the HDRI in the background. Just a quick tip. Just a quick tip. Okay. Now all you need to do is just go to this perspective and click on the Karma CPU or XPU if you have a good CPU, and GPU, you can use them together as an option in the Karma XPO option, in which it will use both CPU and XPO power. And if you don't have the good GPU, then you can always go to CPU. In my case, I'm gonna go with Karma XPU. It will take some time to cook, and it seems to be working. And you can see the width size is really thick. What you can do is just go to this op node and click here, expand this op import, select curve. In the middle option, in these attributes, you can go down and select this width option and right click and edit property. Now you can select the width and change it as per your need. So I'm gonna go with 0.01. So you can see this way you can achieve these kind of cool effects in Houdini. I hope you like this tutorial. That is the quick one. I will create some more quick tips and quick tutorials very soon, and I am going to attach project file with this video, and that is completely free. You can download it from Gumroad or Patreon so that you can get the access to these files and do just necessary changes and get the desired look. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you like it, please like and subscribe. And I am gonna go now and we'll back with a new tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.